Okay, so now that we've got our mileage crunched up here, you found that as a result of my commute, I could drive around the earth close to 12 times over the course of 30 years, and that impact starts sitting in. Now let's start talking about how much time we're going to sit in traffic. So let's go ahead and jump down here. You can see that we've got our off-peak commute times in hours and peak commute times in hours. So this is, all the people that sit in rush hour traffic over on this side. Maybe you're one of the lucky ones that don't have to worry about that. But for the most part, you'll be sitting in traffic or at least commuting during rush hour. So let's go ahead and get started with our formula and see how we can calculate this. So we're going to start with our equals sum, close parenthesis. Okay, we're going to select days of the week. That's 5 right now. Okay, shift 8 for the asterisk. And then we're going to come up here and select total commute time in minutes. So we're going to close that parenthesis. Now that gives us, you can actually see our preview here of 280 minutes. So if we go divide, so that's the slash, divided by 60, we can get 4.6 hours. But before we hit enter, we're going to do one really special thing up here. We're going to come up here to the formula bar, and right in front of this E, we're going to add a $sign. Then let's go after the E, right in front of that 15, we're going to add another $sign. And what that does is says, hey, this cell right here, we're going to use that for all our subsequent formulas. So let's go ahead and enter. So here we go, 4.67 hours per week that I will sit in traffic if I drove during off-peak commute times. And now that we've got our formula set up, we can select this blue box at the bottom of the cell, drag that all the way down, and there we are. All of our numbers are calculated. So 7,000 hours that I will sit in traffic over the course of a 30-year career. And of course, we could use the same calculations over here. Go equals sum. Let's try that again. Multiplied by, this time we'll do in traffic totals, and this is more real for what I experienced because I hit that traffic in the afternoon. Divide by 60. Before I go, I'm going to add that $sign and lock my reference cell. Okay. And let's remove some of those decimals a little bit. Okay. And let's see what I will do over the course of 30 years. So 9,000 hours over the course of a 30-year career that I'll sit in traffic driving to and from work.